Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an NFT and post it on websites like Rarible or OpenSea. It's very simple and easy. Please follow the steps and watch the video till the end. So basically we are going to convert a normal picture into an NFT and then sell it on Rarible, and I'm going to show you now. So basically we have to go to a website called befunky.com. I will give the link in the description. So you are just going to open that. This is the main page of befunky.com. Basically you have to sign in with your email or Google account. You have to make an account on this website, then you can get the access of doing the edits that you want to do. So basically you just have to click on this create option and then click on photo editor. Just click on photo editor. It will take us to a new page where we have to edit our picture. Let's say we have to insert our picture right here. So we are going to insert one picture. We inserted one picture from the internet, just to give you an example. So at the top left corner, if you see, we have all of this option right here. We have artsy, FX, graphics, etc. So we are just going to click on artsy, and we have a lot of options right here. So it's your choice what to choose. So I'm going to choose on digital art. There are more options in digital art, so I'm going to click on one. Let's say this Calvinizer. Now we can see that our picture has been turned into a painting. So you can choose whatever option given here, but the main problem is that you cannot download the whole image. You have to take a screenshot. Because why do we have to take a screenshot? Because we have this little watermark here, and if you want to download the picture you have to upgrade it, you have to give it money, so that's why you have to screenshot it. So we are just going to take a screenshot. We are just going to take a screenshot of this image right here and then save it. So yeah, our picture just got saved. Now we are going to upload it on a marketplace like Rarible or OpenSea. So we are going to head on to Rarible. Here we are on Rarible. So we are just going to put our image as an NFT in this marketplace. So you have to have an account on this website called Rarible. This is a marketplace where you can sell NFTs and stuff. So you have to have your wallet like MetaMask signed in. So we just signed in with our MetaMask account. You have to make an account. So we are just going to click on create. We have to choose whatever blockchain our wallet has been approved by. So we are just going to click on Ethereum because we have an Ethereum wallet. So if your wallet is a Polygon wallet, then you have to choose Polygon. Now I recommend to choose multiple because in single it is like you are selling art, you have 20 pieces, but in single you have only one piece. You cannot do it another time. So if you click on multiple, you can produce more and more. Like you have to give 20. If somebody buys it, you have 19 pieces left. So we are just going to click on multiple. Right here we can see that we have to upload our file. So we are just going to upload our file that we just took a screenshot and saved in our computer. So we are just going to upload it. Here we go, we uploaded it. As we can see at the preview, we can see that our painting is right here. And here, if you click on single, then you have this option timed auction. But if you click on multiple, you have only two options, which is fixed price and open for bids. So it's your choice what you want to do, but I recommend to give open for bids, because basically if you give one price, it will stick on one price, but if you open for bids, it will go higher than you expected. So we are just going to click on open for bids. Now we have to give our picture or painting a name, because whatever we write on this name option, it will be displayed. Like if we write night view, then we can see that the painting's name is night view. So we are just going to click on continue and give our description. It's an optional, because it will it will be displayed on this preview. But if you don't want to give a description, it's totally fine, it's optional, but you must give it a name. So I'm just going to click I recommend to give a short description. So I will just give my description right here. So I gave my description. I know it's a very long description, but you can give a short one. So as we scroll down, we have royalties. The default is 10. So number of copies, it's your choice what number you want to give. I will give it 12. And if you want, you can click on show advanced setting, like the properties, the size of this image, then your text, etc. So this is all optional. So we are just going to hide it and click on create item. After we have clicked on create item, we will be shown to a loading page of these followed steps. So I guess it will give a tick mark on your computer as well, and it will load up the MetaMask or your wallet notification to sign in. It's like a credit card. You will be given a message, and we have to give our signature, but we won't do any signature. We are just going to click on sign. That's it. Just click on sign. Then we will be given another notification. You just click on sign. It is a compulsory. It's a compulsory step that you have to have a wallet in order to do all these steps. So I'm just going to click on sign. Here we go. Our NFT has been created on Rarible.com. This is how you create an NFT for a marketplace like Rarible. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.